look at here, we're going to look at Moshi, the beetle. And we're going to look at this change in character that he experienced, okay? So, the focus questions I want you guys to be thinking about when we reread this passage is, how does Moshe's experience relate to larger things that we might have discussed in like the preface and forward and night? Why does Ellie share this person's experience, and how we can use literature analysis, so by rereading this again and looking for those themes, how can we apply this to understand Moshe's experience a little bit more deeply? Okay, so we're going to reread this passage one more time, and I want you guys, have you ever heard of annotation? Have you ever heard of that word? Yeah? Well, annotation is pretty much, if you can see what I've done here. So I read this passage, and I went in and I circled some things that I saw. I circled things that might have repetition, or maybe a theme that I saw that was kind of present after reading the preface and the foreword and things like that. That's called annotation. It's pretty much mental notes in the margins. So I want you to independently read through this and mark it up with your pen or pencil. And we're going to share some of our quotes that we like. You can underline some quotes or sentences that you like or stand out. Any connections that you can find to the preface, to the foreword, to what we just read. And even if you see any comparisons to Anne Frank, that would be fine as well. Okay? And I'll share some of my findings with you as well.